World Maps, its new map kit. It will add to your video a stylish animation of a world map for every taste. This more than 50 maps of the world. It will save a lot of time for professionals and quite accessible to the beginner video producers. Regions, countries, states and infographic elements. In addition, each country is configured individually. The first type of settings allows you to customize the colors of the map individually for your design. The second type of settings adjust the position of geo marks and routes on the map. The third type of settings is to control camera movement over the map, so you can come closer to any point with ease. The project contains 7 pre-prepared scenes of each country. The template includes a collection of markers and images for maps. So just download the template right now and add a map to your project.